Today we got a video from Police Release, and the title of the video is Tough Guy Gets Shut Down by No Nonsense Cops at the DMV.
I'm gonna be in handcuffs. I did nothing wrong and I'm on private property.
Then don't walk
give me
away.
my title.
No.
On November 8th, 2025, a woman reported that her ex-boyfriend had forged her signature on a vehicle title and was en route to the DMV to transfer ownership into his name. Officers responded to the DMV, where they observed a vehicle matching the reported description.
Hey guys, how you doing? I want to start out a camera on. All right. So we had called. Which one of you guys is Daniel?
Me.
You. Okay. So I'm not sure exactly what's going on. Okay. I'm not sure if it's some drama or whatever with ex-girlfriend, whatever it is. So I just want to let you with why I'm here. So we got called out for some. I don't know. Something you're coming over here to change the title or something like that.
I bought a car from somebody.
Okay.
They signed the title and I'm going to transfer it.
Awesome.
And they're saying I didn't. I have signatures on the title.
If you got that stuff to help clarify a couple things, I appreciate it. It's gonna help us understand.
No. I'm not trying to be an asshole at all.
No, you're good. I get it. I get it.
So here, from Alumni Bank.
Okay.
I paid off their loan, and it's Korea. There's both their signatures. There's my signature in this, and this is my car.
Okay. Can I take a look at it?
Yeah,
I appreciate it.
Yes, you can.
So what's the so who is she? Is she an ex-girlfriend, wife?
Yeah, well, yeah, ex-girlfriend.
Ex-girlfriend. Okay. All right. Where's she at? Is she in? Does she live in Havana?
No, that's not even her right address.
Okay. Do you know what town she's in right now?
She's in Indian. At her sister's house.
All right. So you bought the car from her?
Yeah.
Okay.
I bought the car from her and her ex-boyfriend. I paid off the loan so I could get the title.
Gotcha.
And now everything's escalated.
Okay. All right. Do you know when you?
Yesterday.
Yesterday. Okay. Was it out there? You bought it?
I bought it from the bank. I have the receipts from the bank. I don't have them on me. I have them at the house. I did nothing wrong. I'm transferring the title because I bought the car yesterday.
I know it's from the Alliance.
Yes,
okay.
And this was the agreement from everybody.
Okay.
So it's just they wanted their name off the loan. So I don't know.
Okay.
I
you know, man, this ended up might just be a huge devil thing between you and them. It's just me. I'm better understanding the situation just speaking to you. So I appreciate you taking the time to chat with me.
No.
Do you know about how? Because I'm gonna I'll shoot them a call. Do you know about how much you bought it for?
Yeah, $5,000.
$5,000. Okay. Did you already pay that in cash?
No. $5,000. $5,000 is what it was. I paid off the loan to get the title.
You paid off the loan.
And then until they give me the fucking money. And then as soon as I paid off the title, all this came off. And this was the agreement.
Okay.
So if you didn't pay me for me paying off your loan, then I take the car. And everybody was on agreement with that. And then as soon as I paid off the car, now all this comes up.
Okay. All right. Give me a couple minutes. I'll make a phone call and see what they got on their end, and go from there. Okay.
I don't know. Can I have my title back?
Let me.
No, I want my title back.
Okay, I'm gonna hang up.
I want my title back.
You don't need to have issues.
No, I don't need to have issues, but you have no reason to hold on my title. I want my title.
No.
I own the car. I don't know what's going on.
Okay. Get them together.
I don't know.
Okay. Well, somebody's alleging you committed a crime, so we're here to investigate.
I didn't.
That's
You're
what they're
doing your
alleging.
job, buddy.
Yeah.
You're doing your job.
Yeah.
I understand that, but I did not commit a crime. So I paid off a loan for a title. They're supposed to pay me, and then as soon as I paid off the title, they're like, "Oh no, that's my car."
Okay.
I just went and got the title from the bank.
Gotcha. Okay.
Why did he take my title?
It's potentially evidence.
It's not evidence. I bought it legitimately. Call the bank. Don't ask me questions. Call the bank. And I'm not being the but I'm just.
Yeah, you kind of are.
Sorry.
I didn't ask any questions.
Well, I'm just saying. Call the bank.
Okay.
I was the one that was there that paid off the title.
Just stay over there, sir.
I don't have to.
You're not free to leave.
I'm not detained.
You are being sane. You're not free to
For
leave.
what? You never pulled me over. I'm on private property.
Okay.
I'm on private property. You can't detain me.
I'm telling you.
You never pulled me over. You never pulled me over. How am I being detained on private property and you never pulled me over before I had got here? Know the law before you be a cop. So
how much have you had to drink?
It doesn't matter. Am I driving?
It does.
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
How? Because I'm showing
back to your truck.
Because I'm telling you the law.
You're going to be in handcuffs in about 2 seconds.
I'm not going to be in handcuffs. I did nothing wrong. I'm stepping away from you. You got video camera right now. Yeah. I'm stepping away from you.
Okay.
I'm not going to be in handcuffs. I did nothing wrong, and I'm on private property.
Then don't walk
give me
away.
my title so I can go in and do it.
We're not.
So now you're taking my property.
No.
Okay. All right. What's your name? What's your badge number? Hold on. Give me my phone. What's the name and badge number? What's your name and badge number?
Last name is Cunningham.
Hold on. Just give me a second. What's your name and badge number? When I ask you, you should
listen to your buddy. He's trying to talk sense into you.
Okay. What's your name and badge number?
It's Cunningham, 935.
Cunningham, and why are you detaining me?
We're investigating the crime.
I'm on private property and I have not committed a crime. So do you want to tell me the difference right now?
Okay. You're intoxicated. You're not listening to what I'm saying.
So does it matter? Does it matter? Did I commit a crime by being intoxicated, by being drilled to DMV?
Okay.
So do you want to continue?
Put your hand behind your back for me.
No, for what? For what?
Because I told you to get back to your truck.
Get his ass together.
Instead, you're in my face arguing.
How?
So guess what?
Oh, wait, hold on. My boy got some time on the job. Look at this. You see these stripes? The little slits on his arm sleeve. Each year is 5 years. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Golly, my boy, he is not no rookie, okay? He should have listened to his friend. He tried to talk some sense into him.
For what?
Because I told you to get back to your truck.
I was not.
Instead, you're in my face arguing.
How?
So guess what?
I was way back from you. What am I arrested for? Please tell me my charges. Hey, you got this on video? You got it all on video? Oh, both these guys are losing their jobs.
You're under arrest for obstructing.
For obstructing what?
Possibly forgery. So.
Possibly forgery.
Yep.
Okay.
Stop pushing against me.
I'm not pushing against you. You're pushing against me. How dumb are you?
Alright, I'm good on my own.
Look, I've done nothing wrong. They have no reason to arrest me, and I'm on private property. I don't have nothing in my pocket, please.
Well, I still got to check.
I did nothing wrong. So you're unlawfully arresting me. How is it an obstruction to... When I step back from you... Is your camera still on? I step back from you. And now I'm the one that... What am I being arrested for?
Just told you. Maybe you should listen.
What? Tell me again.
Have a seat.
Tell me again. What am I being arrested for? No, hold on. You just pushed me. Just fucking calm down.
Get your leg in the car.
I am. I'm being arrested for not committing a crime.
All right.
I'm gonna keep figuring out
this is his fault.
Yeah. Okay, so explain to me again with...
Police spoke with the victim and the sheriff's deputy, who took the initial forgery report. Due to insufficient evidence at that time, officers were going to release the man without filing forgery charges.
All right, Daniel. So, let me talk to you real quick, all right?
No. Can I please pee?
Okay. You understand why I put you in handcuffs, right? Because I explained to you that we're here investigating a crime and you're the potential suspect. So
well, I
you're
did
being
nothing
detained
wrong.
and you're not free to leave. That doesn't mean grab your phone and get in my face and argue and then not
I wasn't
listen.
in your face. I was 10 steps off your
Okay.
but I don't want to argue with you. I'm sorry. I don't want to argue with you.
All you had to do is remain by your truck and stay quiet.
All right. Well, I was
would've been the end of it, right?
I was closer to my truck than I was to you.
Okay. So I could easily take you to jail right now for obstructing, but we'll go ahead and cut you loose, okay?
I didn't do anything wrong,
I just
so.
want you to know that if this happens again, like if you're in the presence of law enforcement and they tell you to step.
See, but if he keep chatting, you might as well just take him just to take him. Cause listen, he's trying to cut you a break. He's trying to cut you loose. You know what I mean? And you just keep yip yapping. That's part of your problem. You don't know when to shut the fuck up. You know what I'm saying? Shut the fuck up. Cause technically they could. They probably just don't want to do the paperwork and all that stuff. But come on, man.
I was 10 steps closer to my truck than I was 10 steps closer to you. So don't say I was obstructing justice.
You were obstructing me, a peace officer, okay?
I don't want to argue with you.
Okay.
But you know you're wrong. Shut up. Hold on.
Honestly,
Hold on. What? For what? Because I told him to shut up?
You don't
No,
understand.
please. No. Officer, please stop. Please stop.
Nah, don't beg
For
now.
what? What am I under arrest for?
You're obstructing a peace
I
officer.
didn't. He just yelled at me. He just yelled at me, and I told him to shut up. I'm sorry.
Listen to me. Stop talking.
Okay.
I tried to have a conversation with you like a man.
But
And you're sitting here telling me I'm wrong?
no. Look,
You can go to jail.
He was yelling at me.
Have a seat.
Sit your ass down. You could go to jail.
You obviously don't understand.
He was yelling at me. I told him to shut up. I'm not doing anything wrong. Please stop grabbing me like this.
Sit in the seat.
Officers, please stop grabbing me like this.
Get 'em together.
What am I under arrest for? You've been told like 10 times. I didn't. I just told him to shut up. He was trying to.
Okay.
Perfect.
Well, I was hoping he'd admit his faults and understand why I had him in handcuffs. Yeah. But he obviously doesn't understand, so. Yeah, obviously go to jail.
I told him to shut up. You were gonna let me out of handcuffs. I told him to shut up, and now I'm in jail.
Over there.
Please tell me.
Over there.
How's that illegal? Yeah. Yes, sir. Please tell me how that's illegal. You can't. You can't. What's your P. Nelson?
You can read it. Nice.
Yeah.
Take a seat.
Yeah, I graduated high school. What'd you do? Get beat up there?
The man was charged with obstructing a peace officer, and the vehicle title was retained by police for further investigation into the alleged forgery.
It's very interesting. See? Gonna cut you loose and keep yip yapping at the mouth. That don't make no goddamn sense, man. But hey, that's what happens when you're intoxicated. You're not thinking right. You're not thinking right. You don't know when to shut the hell up. Shit, take them just to take them. Shit, take them. We bored today. You need something to do. You hear me? Shit, we try to cut you loose, man. Probably, probably was gonna go to Dunkin' Donuts, Starbucks. See our favorite. He was gonna see his favorite. Coffee maker, cashier lady. You know what I mean? But you just messed up the whole day. Cause we gotta deal with you. Crazy. Anyway, I think the officers did a pretty good job, man. And they tried to cut him loose, but obviously he didn't want to get cut loose, so it is what it is. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. I'm giving them 5 out of 5, man. I like it. And I'm gonna catch you in the next video.